Welcome to our tutorial on the teacher's dashboard. Here we will show you how to guide and accompany your students' academic process through the magical world of movies. On the main screen you have different options. Let's explore them. Classes and reports. In this first part you can see the progress of the class or classes assigned, how much of the program they have completed and the connection time on the platform. If you need to review individual progress, click on Go to Class. By selecting the level and unit you will be able to see the student's total performance and how many times they have taken the lesson. After choosing the student and then clicking on the View icon, you will be able to obtain the details of the performance by activity and by skill, and you will also be able to download a PDF with this information. Lessons. In the following box, you can find all the lessons of the course, where you can obtain a complete guided lesson plan for each class as a resource to use the platform within the class. From here you can watch a segment of the film to work on, download the PDF of the lesson, view the lesson and assign the lesson to students. Back on the lesson screen, you have the option to review the content of any lesson as it will appear to the students on their platform. It is also possible to assign the lesson to students to develop it in class or as homework. When assigning the lesson, you must select the student or students and indicate for how long the assignment will be available. You also have the option to set an assignment date and delivery date, as well as specify the time. After that, by clicking on Share Homework, the student will see the lesson assigned on their platform, only when it has been assigned as homework. Resources. Back on the initial screen, you will find a purple box with the name Resources, where you will find a variety of downloadable and printable resources related to the different lessons and films. These will help you to complement classes and the student's process. In the top menu bar, on the star icon, you will find the movies available to watch and thus better understand the context of the lessons. By clicking on the arrow, you can assign the movies to the students. Students should be selected, and then choose the same criteria previously mentioned to assign lessons. Finally click on Share Movie. Also in the top menu bar, on the microphone icon, you can find the tool, Sing Along. Students also have this tool and its objective is to enforce students' practice through karaoke and lyrics to improve retention of what they have learned in the different lessons. The teacher's dashboard provides an easy and effective support for students' learning, in a dynamic and useful way to keep track of your students' academic process. Good luck on this experience.